Hey ladies, here is the PDF that you will receive whenever you purchase a Chella Creates kit. Usually the kits have too many items for me to upload it directly into Etsy. So you will receive a PDF document that will have a link. If you click on the words, in this case it's It Is Well with my soul, you'll be directed to a Google Doc. If you click on Open, you will then have access to my Google Docs. In my Google Docs, you will see the actual documents that you need to upload. Now, you have the option of clicking on the actual link and printing the PDF directly from Google Docs. Google Drive, I'm sorry, ladies, it's called Google Drive. So you can just print it directly here from Google Drive. You never have to save it to your computer because these documents tend to be pretty large. And if you're having space issues, you might just want to keep it on Google Docs and just access it whenever you need it and print it out. Easy breezy. Now, if you decide that you want to actually download it to your computer, then you will select those three little dots in the right hand corner, and then you would select Open In. Once you select Open In, you will then be able to select a folder to save the actual document in. I didn't do it in this case because it would have taken a long time because it's, again, these documents tend to be pretty big because of the size of the images, and I try not to edit the image sizes because I want you to get the best clarity when you print your PDF. I want your PDFs to be full of color and vibrancy, so I don't reduce the image sizes. I try to leave them as is. So here in my example, I'm going to also show you how you can download the scripture writing plan, which is a smaller file, so it'll go a little bit faster. So as you see, you would go to the three little dots in the right hand corner. You select Open In, and it's exporting this file to wherever you want to save it. So in this case, I'm going to save it to my files. And I created a file that says, in my drive, in my iCloud drive, I created a file that says Chella Creates July Faith Kit. And that's where I'm going to save this. So now whenever I want to access this, I will go back to that folder and the printable will be there for me to access. But again, ladies, if you are suffering from storage on your computers, you can leave that document on Google Drive and just select that printable, click on the link, and use the printable from Google Drive whenever you want to print it out over and over again. Okay. You also have the option of printing this directly from Google Drive as well. Well, I hope that this video is helpful to you and that it'll help you download your printables a little bit easier. As always, feel free to contact me. You can send me messages through Etsy. You can send me messages through Instagram, and I will more than happily give you one-on-one instructions on how to upload your PDF printables. All right, ladies, have a blessed day. Bye.